Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually plot a colorful uh, charts using some JSON data that you will provide. So as you can see inside this Python script we have a raw JSON data which contains three properties here, the name, age and city. So we have three rows of data right here. So if I want to plot this a simple bar chart, we can use a library called as Matplotlib. So if I just execute this script here, it actually plots the data right here inside this data visualization graphs or chart, you may call this. And on the x-axis we have the names, on the y-axis we have the ages. So in this easy way you can plot the data, and the nice thing is that we also have the button to save this into an image file. So as soon as you click the save button, you can save this data into an image file. So as soon as you do this, you can see your graph is successfully saved as a PNG image file. So this is a bar chart, but you can actually plot any sort of chart. This library that I showed you is Matplotlib. So first of all, you just need to install this. So it's a data visualization plotting package. From raw data you can plot various kinds of charts: bar chart, pie chart, line chart, scatter chart. So this is their documentation. So the command is simple. You simply say pip install matplotlib. Apart from that, you also need to install this pandas library, which is a data visualization package as well. So this package is also required. So now let me show you a very simple example. So how to get started with this library. So first of all, you need to import both the packages like this matplotlib. After importing it, you will be declaring this JSON data, which will contain a array of JSON object. Each object contain three properties here: name, age and city. So you can take any sort of data that you want to plot. This data can be coming from an API as well or database. After that, this JSON data, we need to convert this into Pandas data frame. So we simply say pd dot data frame. So this pd package like this. So this is data frame, and you simply pass the JSON data. After that, this will actually convert your data JSON data to data frame. You can print this. So this looks something like this. Let me just stop this application and again run this. This will convert this JSON data to this pandas data frame. So using this, it becomes easy for you to plot this data into a, it contains this plot function. And here you need to specify which kind of chart. So I will say bar chart. You will see we have all the options, pie chart as well. So then you need to provide on the x-axis the value name, on the y-axis which will be the ages, and the title of the chart will be age report. So we are basically on the x-axis, on the horizontal axis, names will be displayed. On the y-axis, vertical axis, ages will be displayed. So this is essentially the bar chart. And then to plot this, we have this function of matplotlib. On the y-axis, we have the ages. And then to show the chart here, we have the show method. So this will instantly show the chart to us as soon as we run the application. So if I run this, you will see your bar chart will be displayed in a different window. You can visually see the actual data that you have. So now let's suppose if I change this data, just make it 90. Again run this. You can see as soon as I change this data, the bar graph will also change. So in this easy way, you can actually plot this data visualization from just JSON data very simply using Pandas and Matplotlib library. And also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.